how to create a new template and page in Shopify. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Shopify website right here. And then once you open your Shopify, what we want to do next is to make sure that you are logged in into your account. So once you do that, let's click this online store, which is located on the left screen. And then on the themes page, what we want to do here is to click this three dots and then click edit code. Once you click edit code, you will be redirected into this page. So what we want to do is to click add a new template. And then for the select template type, click this page right here. And then of course, if you want to change it to JSON or liquid, it's up to you, but I will just leave it as it is. And then for the file name, let's name it example and then click done. Once you created that, of course, if you want to make some certain changes into that page, it's up to you, but I will just leave it as it is, as I will be only showing you how to create a template and page on Shopify. So once you create that, the next thing that we need to do is to click the exit and then click the refresh button. Once you do that, let's click the pages right here. Now, once you're now here, let's click add page. And then for the template, if you click the template right here, you should now be able to see the template that we have just created earlier. So just click that example right here and then click save. Save, and then once you do that, you should now be able to see it right here. You should now be able to create it. Now, if you want to add it into an existing page, all you have to do is to click this one. And of course, change also the template into this one and then just click save. That is how easy it is. So once again, that is how to create a new template and page in Shopify.